Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Rama and I do men's fashion and beauty video and also lifestyle videos. So I would definitely be happy if you subscribe to my channel. That means absolutely the world to me. But in today's video, I will be reviewing the Off-White Out of the Office sneakers. Now, these are the sneakers that I have, and I must say I had them now over a year now, or maybe it's just become a year, and I got them obviously online. I got it from, where did I had it? Was it from Farfetch or from Flannels? Either way, I got it online. I can't really remember, to be honest. It's been a year now, and I'm just gonna give you my full, without breaking any of my perfumes, I'm gonna give you guys like my full honest review regarding these sneakers. Now, in terms of the brand, I like Off-White. I think what Virgil has created was honestly insane. So I really liked him, what he has done. They just look very nice, very just, I don't know. Sometimes with Off-White shoes, they are really out there, and sometimes I'm like, no, I'm gonna stay away from them. But these are, I think, very, let me just get one pair out, because the other one is quite heavy. When I get into it in a second. I really like the design in general, because I'm gonna wash my hands after this video. Because of the arrow, I think they are very nice and simple. They're not like too much going on basically. This is the reason why I got it. I also just needed a nice pair of black trainers, and at that time this was the hottest thing, and I think still till now is the hottest thing, because it's really popular. I'm gonna get it in a bit, but in terms of the design, I really like the design. It's got the arrow in here all the way to the other side. It kind of flows together, and here you got the Off-White logo in here. As well, you got like a Off-White leather patch at the front of the shoe, and it says just Off-White, CEO Virgil Abloh, and it says made on earth, designed on a plane. Made on earth, designed on a plane. Interesting. And this was in 2013, so maybe he was designing it on a plane for some reason, hence why he's got the idea. Obviously it's got laces, and at the front you have this kind of design in here. Kind of reminds me of like Nike Air Forces for some reason, and in the back you have like a nice paneling. Even the sole is very nice and thick. You guys can see a very good hard quality sole, and this is the sole at the back. To be honest, it's not that dirty. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but it says Off-White logo in here, and it's got the Off-White logo in there, and the Off-White kind of face over here. So I'm just gonna skip that section quickly. And at the back also it's got Off-White logo over here. So overall, in terms of the design, I think it's a really beautiful craftsmanship, very attention to detail. There's no single thread coming out, and overall I really like the design. It's very nice, very kind of simple and basic at the same time, as well as got the Off-White kind of bedazzling going on in here. In terms of the laces, let me go show you guys as well. If you have Off-White shoes, you will know it says shoelaces on the actual shoelace, and the other one says the same thing, shoelaces. So it's very nice and different and very unique. In terms of the, obviously material is all leather, everything is fully leather, and it's got the very thick kind of, what would I say, kind of fabric at the back. Can you guys see how thick this fabric is? It's very cushioned, very soft, kind of squishy, and obviously it's kind of flattens down in here. So overall the back of the foot is very nice and supported, especially around the ankle area, because this part is very nice and soft and very kind of hugging to the feet or to the ankles. So it's very lovely to wear, and it also keeps your feet nice and warm. That's the thing. This is, I would say, it's more like a autumn winter shoe, not necessarily like a spring summer shoe. Could be a spring summer shoe because it's very thick from here, and also in terms of like the thickness, sometimes your feet might sweat. It depends how your feet is basically. It might sweat because it's quite thick and it's quite warm, because of the material and because how the leather is and how it is. Overall, it keeps your feet nice and warm, which is very good for autumn and winter. So you could wear this at the winter time as well. And in terms of the weight, it's quite heavy, guys. Hence why I've put the other one at the bottom, because it's quite heavy. It's not a bad thing, but I thought it's gonna be more lighter, but it's just more in the heavier side. It's more like not clunky in a way, but it's big basically. Can you guys see, like, this would be the top part. It's, if you guys see, it's more like wider, more thicker in here. So if you wear skinny jeans, this would stick out. I would suggest kind of loose fitting jeans, more like regular jeans, more straight fit jeans, straight cut jeans are much better. More looser jeans to kind of falls around the shoe, but skinny jeans in this, it's not a nice look, because the whole look of this is to be more casual, be more like cool and kind of casual, as I said, not like skinny fit, tight jeans, and then these clunky shoes. No, it's kind of this Balenciaga style, those kind of boys who wear skinny jeans with those kind of thick Balenciaga shoes. I'm not hating it, but I'm just not a fan of that, so I want to avoid this thing as well. I'm not comparing this to Balenciagas, because honestly that brand of a shoe is just not me anymore, and I don't like the brand at all because of the weird designs. But Off-White, this particular shoe, is a very nice option. And this is the other pair in here. It says Off-White in here, and of course it's the same thing. So this is how they would look. Overall, I mean, they're not too heavy, but in terms of the other shoes that I have, it's more on the heavier side. This is how they look. I think these shoes are beautiful. They go literally with everything, because I was very smart with the color choices, because I went for the classic black with the white logo. Let me just put them in here because my arm is kind of aching. Obviously I went with the black and white color option, but if you are not fan of the black and white, they have bunch of different type of colors, specifically the white ones, and they have like different type of arrowed colors. So if you like a white pair of sneakers, then you can find a bunch of different type of white sneakers with different type of colored arrows, which are really nice and very different. And when I said that the shoes are still popular till this date, it's because that I just went, the other day I went to Selfridges, and on a table they had these shoes out and a bunch of different type of other colors. And the guy who worked there, he was like to me, "Oh, this is the new season colors." I was like, "Oh, interesting. So this means that this shoe is still popular. They've brought out different type of colors, and hence why you've seen them all over on social media, on TikTok, on Reels, because people like it. And hence why they've brought out different type of colors, and the colors are actually really nice. Now there was one which had like has mock crocodile effect in the blue and a green, which was beyond insane. Ooh, I forgot to say, they also come obviously with the tag, with the classic world-known Off-White tag. It's removable. You can remove it, and this is what I did. I removed the tag because I thought that made my shoe a bit more clunky, a bit more kind of too much, so I just removed it. But you can leave it on if you want, but you can also easily remove the leather tag. I've talked about the design, I've talked about if I like it or not, I've talked about of the colors, and I'll talk about the price. You guys, I'm a bit shocked, and this might kind of make me now doubt myself, because I'm actually surprised what they've done with the price point. I paid for these around £250, 280 or something like that, roughly, definitely under 300 and more than 200. So it was around 250 or 280 or something like that. I don't really know, but I remember it was less than 300 that I paid for. Now when I just checked the recent price points on Google, on very well-known websites such as Farfetch, Harvey Nichols, Selfridges, Sense, what else do we have? My Teresa, Satire, what else? Harvey Nichols, Flannels, Harrods, and some other well-known kind of designer online stores. The price point has increased and double. And I mean, the price point is around £400 now. Some of them are 405, 420. One of them is 385. I think it's maybe old color. 389, 478, 404. So the price point has gone literally in double, in 400s, which I'm like, oh my god. I literally paid for these like half price last year, and now they're literally double the price, which I'm a bit like shocked about. And I was like, oh my goodness, it's quite a lot. So my overall conclusion, would I recommend these shoes? And the answer is yes. It's because that I like the classic off-white design that it has, because compared to the other ones, it's not too much, it's just perfect kind of branding, and it goes literally with all of my clothing pieces. And another yes is because of the price point. To be honest, yes, £400 now is a bit much for a pair of sneakers, but it's more designer sneakers, it's more like a designer brand. And if you compare it to the other brands such as Prada or Valentino, they're well over 400. They're well over 500, 600, 700 pounds. So comparing to other brands, I think the price point is okay-ish. If you have a bit of spare money, then this is a nice option to go for. But yeah, I think it's okay-ish. This is my whole opinion about the price point. But I would really recommend the shoes in general because I really like them. I wear them and they keep my feet nice and warm. And I just like them in general. So yeah, there is that. This is going to be my conclusion in this video. So hope you guys found this video all informative and interesting, and if there's any other things I've missed out, then do let me know in the comments box down below, or just for like DM me on my Instagram and I will answer you over there. Hope you guys all like this video. So if you didn't, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fashion videos like these. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video.